How to update Lyft profile photo. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to change or add your profile picture on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto You button at the bottom. Just right here, select it. Then tap on to View Profile. Just right here, tap on it. Here you can find your Add Photo option. Just right here, tap on it. Now you can simply add photo by taking a photo or choosing from library. Now tap on to one. Just like this, and simply choose one photo and tap on to Save. And now you can see your profile has been updated. And that's it. This is how you can update Lyft profile photo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.